Okay, this is a patient challenge for Giselle. This is her favorite candies. Okay, just wait, mommy, ha? Ha? Babalatan muna natin. Pero, hindi mo muna kakainin. Ha? Basta wait mo si mami, ha? Magsi-CR lang ako, ha? Tayo lang si mami, ha? Oo. Wait mo si mami, ha? Tindihan mo?
Gusto mo dito sa
This is a challenge, patient challenge for you, ha?
Tita.
No touch, ha? No touch. And, no eat. Even konti, ah. Even konti, don't touch, ha? Ha? Just wait, mami. Okay? Ayan, nagdumi na yung kamay mo.
Okay na yan, nakakritis naman ako eh. Ito po eh.
Just wait, mami, ha? Don't eat muna while mommy is not here.
Yes. I'm just playing here.
Eh, no play. Just, titigan mo lang to. Titigan mo lang, no play. Madaya yan, eh. Eh, no play nga muna. No play. Just, that is a challenge for you. No play. Just, just look at it. Ha? No play, ha? Tapos, tingnan mo lang yan. Don't ever touch it. And don't eat. You wait, mommy, okay? Ha? Okay? Anong gagawin?
Wait.
Wait. Okay, wait mo si mami. Si CR lang, ha? Okay. Don't, don't stop the video, ha? Okay? It's a challenge for you. Just wait, mommy, ha? Don't ever touch it. Wait lang.
One. Ay, yan ang ban. Mininchoy bago magkakain tayo. Yes, mininchoy. Okay na. Wait lang ako. Mamaya na. Mamaya kakain ko. Ay. Just don't move this. Yung kain. And no cellphone, Chiga. And no cellphone, Chiga. Night. You need to sleep. I teach you in a lesson. Don't watch in everywhere. You can malabo yung mata. And don't watch everywhere. Why night? Why pag-gising? Why init? Why gabi? Don't ever cellphone. And don't eat. I just wait. Just wait. Now, just waiting my sabi ng mother, wag ever sa cellphone. Why? Watching TV and cellphone. Ano to? Just wait.
Good job! Apir! May kinain ka? Wala? Are you sure? Are you sure? May makikita ako dyan sa video pag may kinakuha ka. Wala? Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, this is your reward. You can eat now. Yes. That is your reward while waiting. You're the patient. This is Giselle's reward.
No. No.
Wait.
Wala